I hear the truck, they just arrived, they bring me McLaren MP4. I trade for Ferrari 812 Superfast, even trade. No, it's glass. GT3 guys, GT3 RS. Oh wow, look at this. Lights. Guys, car just arrived. It's a Porsche, sorry. Porsche 911 GT3. So we're gonna take it off because this car doesn't have front wheel. It's pretty messed up kinda. I'm kinda a little bit upset, but let's go to check it out. Sometimes it happens, you know. Guys, it's a little bit dark over here, but I already got the trailer, I already got the Ivan. He's gonna take it off. He's gonna use his forklift and car is here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. GT3 guys, GT3 RS. Looks so sick. Under everything looks good, I like it. But front I'm not gonna show you guys, it's too bad. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's pretty bad guys. Inside is pretty clean. Main hood is a little bit messed up. Air duct messed up. Oh my goodness guys. They put in everything inside. I hope they not messed up the seats. I think it's too dark. Oh, carbon fiber roof. Man, he's professional. He's doing good. Отлично! No, front is not bad actually. I like it. Wow, front is not bad. Oh my goodness, that's so good. Oh my goodness guys, this is so bad. On the picture it looks much. Oh no, it's skin. It's skin. Oh my goodness. Brake caliper, смотрите, brake rotor.
Удара совсем нет.
Да. Вообще маленький удар. I don't know why it's metal wheels. I mean brake rotors. It's supposed to be carbon fiber. О, это шаг, да. Oh wow, yeah, mirror is there. Yeah, knuckle is here. Oh, knuckle is messed up. Brake caliper is messed up. Wow. Stop! Okay guys, just plug the battery. Looks good. I mean, lights on, and I'm gonna try to start the car. And oh wow, look at these lights. GT3 RS, man, looks sick. Yeah, I'm gonna try to start the car and move out from the trailer. I just taking off all this stuff. Like, look at this, so dirty inside. Man, so much stuff in there. My jumper is too low. Oh wow, it's mirror here. Wow, I need just housing. That's good. Тормоза не думаю, может, плохие.
Тормоза у ручника тоже нет?
Сейчас. Okay guys, I hear the truck, they just arrived. They bring me McLaren MP4 2012, I believe, clean title. I trade for Ferrari 812 Superfast 2019. Even trade. I'm joking. Of course not even. Let's go! I don't know why I'm excited. I don't know, but I'm kind of excited about this car because I never check the car and I never see the car. Okay, finally he's here. Let's check it out. What's inside? Explain. Carbon fiber. Just diffuser? Looks like. Guys, I never see the car before I trade. I never see. I trust people, you know. Looks sick.
Oh, the color's nice.
Oh yeah, it's
like a
silver, but it's like.
It's like an icy blue.
Yeah, something like that. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna take this car, not this one, brother. Give me
one?
Porsche, yes. Yes.
You gotta push it though.
That's what I'm talking about. I don't care. Oh, it doesn't start?
No.
This is the project?
Yeah, the guy that he said it's from his dad. I guess his dad passed, so it's a family car.
You wanna sell it?
I don't think so.
This is like, I think this is 200,000 car.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
That is a great condition. Does it work?
Oh, yeah, it works.
Yep. Be careful because it's mine.
Is it okay?
No, I'm joking, bro. Take it easy. It's just McLaren, you know.
Yeah.
No, it's clean. I like it, guys. I'm happy. It's clean. I see something on the headlight, but we'll see. But everything else looks good, you know. I'm gonna test drive right now this car.
Okay.
fully carbon, man. I like it. Look how many carbon. Steering wheel carbon. Red interior. Beautiful. Beautiful combination. Beautiful. I love it. Let's go back.
There's no handle? Ah, the remote, okay. Sorry, I don't drive a McLaren, so I wouldn't know. Oh, wow.
Guys, we're gonna test it right now, this toy. I kinda like it. Let's go.
Man's gone.
This car is pretty fast. We just made, you know how fast?
How fast did you go?
46.
40. Oh, 40. Oh, yeah, okay. So we're just.
I kind of like it. It's pretty smooth, you know. You know what I like? This car has carbon fiber ceramic brakes. I thought it's just regular. This is the big plus, you know. It's another, like, I don't know, like another 15 grand, I guess. I hope you not lost the bumper. No, it's still here. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm happy. I'm happy. 1 second. What is there? Oh wow, what is this? This is supposed to be brown or it's old? License plate, the charger, no money, no honey. I think helicopter, I can hear it.
Better hide the car.
Huh?
Better hide the car.
Run! Guys, the diffuser is carbon fiber. Looks like OEM. Looks sick, you know, I like it. And you know what I just realized? Inside every piece is carbon fiber. Wow. I mean, it's really good trade, to be honest. Really good trade. I'm happy. It's just Ferrari 812. Smell good. Looks original carbon. I'm happy. Oh, this is the trunk. Look, it's plastic. Oh goodness. No, it's glass. Dude, this is clean title, right? But it seems like salvage. Guys, please like and subscribe, okay? Thank you.